Hey everyone, welcome back to Harbor of Tech. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to MiniTool MovieMaker, an intuitive, powerful, and easy-to-use video editing tool that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Stay tuned as we explore its fantastic features. First, let's dive into the timeline. Watch as I easily add my clips to the timeline. The drag and drop feature makes editing a breeze. Now, check out the wide variety of transitions available. With just a few clicks, you can seamlessly blend your clips and create a professional look. It's all so intuitive. Now, let's dive deeper into the timeline. Watch as I effortlessly drag and drop my video clips into the main timeline. It's incredibly simple, just position your clips where you want them to tell your story. Once you've arranged everything, it's time to spice things up with transitions. MiniTool MovieMaker offers an extensive library of transitions, so you have plenty of options to choose from. Whether you're aiming for smooth fades, creative wipes, or dynamic spins, you can easily click on a clip, select your favorite transition, and preview it instantly. Adjust the duration and style with a few simple clicks to ensure your cuts flow perfectly. This feature transforms your raw footage into a professionally polished video that truly captivates your audience. Now, let's take your video visuals to the next level with MiniTool MovieMaker's advanced color grading tools. In this section, you'll see how automatic filters can instantly transform your footage. With just a click, the app adjusts brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue to perfectly match your desired mood, whether you're going for a vibrant, energetic vibe or a calm cinematic feel. Watch as I apply one of the presets to a clip on the timeline, and notice how the colors pop and the overall tone becomes more polished. You can fine-tune these settings to achieve a custom look, giving you total creative control. The intuitive interface makes it easy for beginners and pros alike to enhance the clarity and detail of their videos without spending hours on manual adjustments. These automatic filters not only save time but also ensure your video has a professional, cohesive style throughout. Whether you're editing travel vlogs, tutorials, or creative projects, this feature is a game changer that elevates your content with minimal effort. Once you've arranged your clips on the timeline, it's time to add creative transitions to elevate your video. MiniTool MovieMaker boasts an impressive library of transitions, fades, wipes, spins, and more to suit every style. Simply click on a clip, select your favorite transition, and adjust the duration to match your video's rhythm. You can even layer transitions between multiple clips for a cinematic touch. The intuitive interface allows you to preview each effect in real time, ensuring every cut flows seamlessly into the next. This feature not only enhances the overall visual appeal but also gives your project a professional, polished finish. It's all about turning raw footage into an engaging story with just a few clicks. On the timeline, add smooth transitions and animated stickers to make your video pop. MiniTool MovieMaker lets you select transitions that seamlessly blend your clips. Just click, adjust, and preview. Plus, simply drag and drop fun stickers onto your footage. Resize and reposition them for a personalized touch. These creative elements turn your project into a lively, engaging masterpiece. One of the best things about MiniTool MovieMaker is that it offers a basic version that's completely free to use. This gives you full access to a robust set of editing tools without spending a dime. For users who need even more advanced features, there are several affordable paid plans available that unlock additional capabilities designed to take your video projects to the next level. Here's an insider tip: if you plan to use the software long-term, opting for a yearly subscription is much more cost-effective than paying monthly. These yearly plans not only save you money but also provide continuous access to updates and premium features, ensuring that you always have the latest tools at your fingertips without breaking the bank. With such flexible pricing options, MiniTool MovieMaker caters to everyone from beginners to seasoned professionals, so you can create polished, professional videos that fit your budget. MiniTool isn't just about video editing. They also offer fantastic tools like Partition Wizard for managing your drives and Power Data Recovery to safeguard your precious files. Be sure to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Harbor of Tech for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!